Welcome back to my channel, where we help you navigate the ever-changing world of digital marketing. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to become a social media marketing pro. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or an aspiring influencer, these tips will help you maximize your impact and reach your target audience effectively. So, let's get started. Number 1. Define your goals and know your audience. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost sales? Define your objectives and align them with your overall marketing strategy. Research and identify your target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. This information will help you tailor your content and choose the right social media platforms to reach and engage with your potential customers effectively. Number 2. Choose the right platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal, and it's essential to focus your efforts on the ones that align with your target audience and business goals. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok are just a few examples. Each platform has its unique features and audience, so do your research and select wisely. Number 3. Develop a content strategy. Content is king in the world of social media marketing. Consider using a mix of text, images, videos, and interactive elements to keep your followers engaged. Experiment, analyze your results, and refine your strategy accordingly. Number 4. Optimize your profiles. Your social media profiles serve as your digital storefront, so make them shine. Use high-quality images, write a captivating bio, and ensure your contact information is easily accessible. Consistency in branding across platforms will help build recognition and trust. Number 5. Leverage influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand can greatly amplify your reach. Identify influencers within your niche, establish genuine relationships, and explore partnership opportunities. Influencer endorsements can bring credibility and exposure to your brand. Number 6. Utilize analytics and data. Track your social media metrics to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Tools like Facebook Insights, Instagram Insights, and Google Analytics provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior, content performance, and overall campaign success. Use this data to refine your strategies and optimize your efforts. Number 7. Stay up to date. Social media trends and algorithms are constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest updates and changes in the platforms you're using. Engage in industry forums, follow thought leaders, and attend webinars and conferences to stay ahead of the curve. Number 8. Be patient and consistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your social media presence. Building a strong following and generating meaningful results takes time and effort. Stay consistent, analyze your progress, and make adjustments as needed. That's a wrap on our ultimate guide to social media marketing. Remember, social media is a powerful tool that can propel your brand to new heights if used strategically. It's time to put these steps into action and watch your social media presence soar. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on business development and marketing strategies. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy marketing!